how you doing? We're out here on St. George trying to get Honks for Hope. We're trying to raise $500,000 by spring to open up a new rehabilitation and reintegration retreat for people that are battling addiction and also people with mental health issues. And it's out in Little River. Have a good night, Spang. And we're going to do a song here. That's what I'm doing. And this one's called Worrying, but I'm changing the title because I don't worry that much anymore. I'm changing it to I'm Not Worrying Anymore. But it sort of goes like this. We do it too often, there's so much pain. Say if you're suffering, is there someone to blame? We all worry differently in our own special way. The strength of our minds at the end of the day. What if the mountains crumble into the sea? The things that bind you, please let you be. An ocean of worries seem to be dragging us down. Water we're choking, fighting not to drown, fighting not to drown. I'm not worrying anymore. Oh, I'm not worrying anymore. Any itty bitty worry, the solution may be clear. All rivers must flow where gravity steers. Everybody has a challenge on this long winding road. I hope you got a good back, cause we got a big load. Oh, I'm not worrying anymore. I'm not worrying anymore. And it goes like something like this, if I could remember the last verse. And I don't know if I can, but I'm trying really hard. I can't get it. I can't get it.
Thanks.
You. Yeah.